Dear students and friends, in the first part of the video regarding active and passive voice, we have discussed about the tenses, that is simple tenses and also the continuous tenses, wherein we have seen the changes regarding the helping verb and the main verb and the changes related to the object and the subject. Now we will continue with the second part, wherein we have to concentrate on the tenses, that is a perfect tense and also the continuous perfect tense, and observe the changes regarding the helping verb and also the main verb. And mainly when it comes to the continuous perfect, in some of the tenses there will be no changes, which you have to observe very keenly, and we'll start with the discussion. Okay, observe and listen to the explanation clearly. Present perfect tense. Active has, have called. Passive has, have been called. Example, the teacher has called the student. The teacher has called the student. It is in active voice. The student has been called by the teacher. That is in passive. So here has, have, called. So when it changes to passive, it is has, have been called. So same changes has been put here. Has called the student, has been called by the teacher. So why is it has here? Because teacher is in singular and again the student is in singular. Past perfect tense. Active voice had called. Passive had been called. Had. Past perfect tense. Now the example, the children had called their parents on Monday. The children had called. The parents had been called by their children on Monday. So here you can see the changes regarding the subject and the object. The children here, it is the subject here, had called their parents on Monday. So when you change it into passive, mainly you see the change of the subject and the object. The parents had. So here the parents. So that is important, the change here. Had been called. So had called has changed to had been called by their children on Monday. So active voice and passive voice. Future perfect tense. Active will have called. Passive will have been called. So will have called, will have been called. Example, the teacher will have called the students to the class. The teacher will have called the students to the class. The students will have been called by the teacher to the class. So will have called, will have been called, and again here teacher is the subject and the students. That is very important. Here the students. Now when you concentrate on this sentence, that is a passive voice, the students will have been called by the teacher to the class. Note. So this is very important, as I told you. Note. Future continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous do not have passive forms. So I told you that some of the tense form, they don't change when it is changed from active to passive. There will be no much changes. So future continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous do not have passive forms. Future continuous, will be growing or calling. I have taken two main verbs, will be growing or calling. Example, I will be calling you at night. I will be calling you at night. Now present perfect continuous. So for future continuous, it is I will be calling, that's all. Now present perfect continuous, has, have been calling. Has, have been calling or growing. So here my parents have been growing mangoes since many years. My parents have been been growing mangoes since many years. So there are no changes of tenses or there is no passive form at all. Next one. The teacher has been waiting to welcome the students. The teacher has been waiting to welcome the students. So here my parents it is in plural. So it is have been. So when it is here, there is teacher. It is in singular. So has been. Past perfect continuous. Had been calling. Example, I had been waiting for your call since 2 days. I have taken the verb here, it is calling, but here in the sentence I have changed it, I have taken waiting, but the rule is the same, had been calling or had been waiting. I had been waiting for your call since 2 days. Future perfect continuous. Will have been calling. So, perfect continuous, future. Will have been calling. Example, when my daughter turns 11, she will have been learning dance for 6 years. Learning dance for 6 years. So, now there are some forms like this which do not have the passive form at all. But when there is any form wherein you have to change it from active to passive, you have to concentrate and identify the tense and see to that it is changed properly. Mainly the changes will occur regarding the helping verb and the main verb, and also when it comes to the subject and object. I think you all have followed the video. So read it again and again, listen to it and try to change sentences from active to passive. So this will help you out in point of view of your exam and also enhancing your English language. Thank you.